Welcome to Plan Watch Walk, the home of great walking and open honest equipment reviews. Today we're up in the Scottish borders and we're going to take in one of the Grahams. So we start off in the valley and we start up from Tudhope and park up. We walk up the valley for a short while and then we start the climb up to Tudhope Hill, and not too steep along the way, but the views up here and from the top are just tremendous. Leaving Tudhope Hill, we head along towards Millstone Edge. Again, as you can see in the top right, the walking is really easy once we get up here along some of the edges and everything like that. We come up alongside a valley before coming to Caldcleugh Head, our Scottish Graham for the day. As we continuing along, we get to Black Grain Side. Again, you can see top right, there's some great views along the way. We pass Pennygant Hill and Stob Fell before dropping down into the valley. And we continue along the valley, along the Hermitage Water and the river, on the conclusion of what's been a great day's walking.